Hi, and welcome to Triple C Trailer Sales in Watervliet, Michigan. Today we have a 2025 4-star 2+1 to show you. It is 8 foot tall and it's a 23.5 foot box. Starting in the dressing room, there is a fold-up step at the door, rubber on the floor, 3 saddle racks on a removable post, and the roof is insulated in the dressing room and in the horse area. The front box stall here is 102 inches. The escape door has another fold-up step on the outside at that door. There's a total of 4 roof vents in here, fully insulated roof. The stud doors here, these are the quiet ride stud doors. So I'll show you. They go back and forth both ways. Oops. Drop-down doors with drop-down bars at each horse's head. This is the quiet ride rolling divider. So I'll show you. We can just move this out of the way. Okay. There we go, it's out of the way. Both rear ramp and side ramp have the easy lift. This trailer also has stainless steel on the nose, a hydraulic jack. It is priced at $56,750. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 269-463-6121. Thank you.